Hi, I'm Joanna from ChatMaxima. Before you can bring your Instagram messages into ChatMaxima, your Instagram business account needs to be linked to a Facebook page. In this quick demo, I will show you exactly how to connect the two, step by step, so your account is ready for integration. Let us get started.
Let's begin by connecting your Instagram business account to the Facebook page you want to use with ChatMaxima. Now, let's see how to link your Facebook page with your Instagram business account. To begin, log into your Facebook account and click the profile icon in the top right corner. This will open the account menu where you can access the pages and social profiles you want to connect with ChatMaxima. Start by switching to your Facebook page. Click on the page to proceed with connecting it for integration. Now, let's move to Meta Business Suite, where you can bring your Facebook and Instagram accounts together in one place. Now, it's time to connect your Instagram account. Click on Connect Instagram to link your account and bring your Instagram conversations into one unified platform. Review the information shown for connecting your Instagram account to the Facebook page. Then select Login to Instagram to continue. Next, enable Instagram messaging to bring all your customer interactions together in one place. Click on Continue to allow messaging access and move forward with the integration. Next, you'll be asked to authorize your Instagram account to connect with Meta Business Suite. Review the authorization request, then click Login to continue. Next, Meta shows the business portfolio where your Facebook page and Instagram account will be connected. Review the details, then click Continue to confirm the Instagram connection. Your Instagram account is now successfully connected to your Facebook page. Click Done to complete the connection and continue. Here, you can see both your Facebook page and Instagram account together, confirming that the Instagram account is successfully connected and added to Meta Business Suite. Next, open Instagram accounts under your business settings to review and manage the connected Instagram profile. Manage your Instagram account by assigning people, partners, and connecting assets for streamlined control. Thank you for watching. We hope this guide helped you successfully connect your Instagram business account to your Facebook page.